What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I think I might have stumbled on the deal of the year if you're looking for a premium pair of headphones. The Sennheiser Momentum 4 headphones are now between $199 and $249.99 on Amazon, down from their original price of $449. In this video, we'll unbox the headphones, take a look at the included accessories, talk about some of the features we're getting, and then do a quick sound test so you can decide if the Sennheiser Momentum 4s are worth the buy. Guys, thanks for stopping by the channel. If this is your first time, please make sure you do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe button. I appreciate it, and the channel does too. Sennheiser Momentum 4 headphones, let's jump into it. The Momentum 4s come in multiple colors: black, black copper, brown, graphite, and the white variant we're looking at. Opening the box, we're presented with a carrying case that sports the Sennheiser logo on the front. The case itself feels premium and has a sturdy outer shell with a jeans-like material covering the body. You can tell Sennheiser put some thought into it. Even the zipping and unzipping sounds are satisfying. Once unzipped, the Momentum 4 headphones in all its glory is on full display, along with some included accessories. But first, we get the instruction guide, which talks about some of the cool features of the headphones, like voice assistant, music control gestures, or switching between ANC and transparency modes. For our accessories, we start with the in-flight adapter, which I honestly wasn't expecting to see, but will come in handy for those who like to travel. We get an analog audio cable, aka your aux cable, which can be used for connecting your headphones to the in-flight adapter or a compatible device that supports a 3.5mm jack plug. We get our charging cable, USB Type-A to USB Type-C, pretty standard these days. Then we get the Momentum 4 headphones. And man, the design and presentation is a thing of beauty. The headphones show off some quick audio control gestures, which we'll get to a little later in the video. The ear cups are plush and made from leather material. The headband has some flexibility to it too, unlike what you'd find on the Beats Studio Pro headphones. I like how the top of the headband matches the carrying case's color and pattern. Shout out to Sennheiser for paying attention to detail. After all, these headphones originally cost around $500. The right ear cup houses the power/Bluetooth connect button, 5 LED battery indicator lights, a USB-C charging port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a speaker, with the left ear cup just housing the other speaker. Let's talk about some of the features the Sennheiser Momentum 4s offer, which is probably one of the big reasons to pick up these headphones. If you download Sennheiser's Smart Control Plus app, you can enable or disable audio controls. Enabling audio controls will allow you to, on the right ear cup, slide your finger up or down to increase or decrease volume, spread or pinch your fingers together to increase or decrease transparency, tap once to pause or play music, slide forward to skip a track, and slide backwards for previous track. You can slide and hold to fast forward a track or rewind, and even double tap to switch between ANC and transparency modes. The headphones give you Smart Pause, which pauses the headphones when you take them off your head, Auto Call Answering, answers calls when you put the headphones on, and Auto Power Off, which by default is set to 15 minutes of inactivity. From the app, you can give the Momentums a bass boost, tweak your ANC and transparency levels, and personalize your headphone sound. Speaking of sound, for a $500 pair of headphones, how good is the sound? The sound quality of the Sennheiser Momentum 4 headphones might be one of the best experiences I've had in a while listening to music from headphones. Audio is clear and detailed, bass once EQ settings were adjusted to my liking is rich and definitely hits. The headphones offer a sound personalization setting which tailors the sound delivered to your preference. One area where I feel the Momentums could have been better is when watching content like YouTube. While still clear, I felt the range and vividness of the sound was lost. But you guys, let me know what you think of the sound coming from the Sennheiser Momentum 4s. We'll first test using the sound personalization preset and then test with my custom CB EQ. Guys, that wraps up the video. Let me know in the comments, are the Sennheiser Momentum 4 headphones a win, especially now that you can find them between $199 and $249.99? Or are you guys just sticking with Beats or maybe even Raycons? I appreciate you watching the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.